Zhejiang Qingvac Housewares Technology Company Limited, located in Donggang Industrial Park, Suzhou Economic Development Zone, is a high-tech enterprise integrating design, research and development, production and sales of stainless steel insulated containers. Founded on October 13, 2005, with a registered capital of 150 million renminbi, the company covers about 53,000 square meters and employs over 2,000 people. It has passed management systems such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001, and product safety certifications like CSA and IPMO. The company has passed factory audits for Walmart, Starbucks, Costco, Target, BSCI, and Cedex, demonstrating strong production capabilities. The company has automatic production lines for tube drawing, metalwork, cleaning, welding, polishing, painting, coating, marking, and water transfer printing. It also possesses single/double color injection machines, 1/2 step blow molding machines, 360 degrees laser markers, watertight mold temperature controllers, induction welders, hydraulic expansion, spinning, and vacuum machines. Our high-quality products are exported to over 80 countries and regions, including the Americas, Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and South America. Everich continues to build its second-generation digital factory. Zhejiang Qingvac Intelligent Technology Company Limited was established in 2022 and is located in Suzhou, Zhejiang Province. The smart factory covers an area of 10.8 hectares and has a building area of 264,000 square meters. By introducing high-end equipment across the entire process chain, we can achieve full automation and data-driven management from raw materials to finished products. Everich, Thailand Limited Liability Company is a wholly owned subsidiary of Everich and Atomic Housewares Limited Liability Company, located in Chonburi, Thailand. Established in May 2024 with a total investment of 50 million renminbi, it covers 13,000 square meters and employs over 250 people. Phase 1 is operational. Phase 2, 30,000 SQM, is expected by 2026. The company possesses advanced production lines covering the entire vacuum flask process and complete plastic product equipment, ensuring quality control from raw materials to finished products. It has passed various product safety certifications and brand audits. Driven by innovation and service, Everich looks forward to winning the future with global customers.